Hello, welcome to EwityPOS. In this video, we'll be showing you how to get rid of the error syncing bill issue. First, you can start by clicking on Retry to Sync, and if the issue still persists, then you can click on Discard Bill and you can dismiss the bill. But even if that is not working, your next option will be go into Admin, Settings, and from here you can scroll down till you see Local Data, and from here you can click Clear Local Data and click OK, and all of your bills will be unlinked. Then go ahead and reload Ewity. You'll need to force close your register, and then you can reopen the register. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for using EwityPOS.